Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 Ram 1500 Sport. Comes equipped with the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Automatic is included such as premium leather, heated ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, Moto metal wheels, truck hero tonneau cover, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this all-black interior with paneling coupled with doors on the bottom, equipped with an Alpine sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with chrome accents. You're getting these power running boards here, and these power adjustable, heated ventilated leather seats, super nice. Left side you'll have your vents, and as well as your lighting control with your power adjustable pedals and parking brake. Left side of the steering wheel will be your odometer cluster control and voice recognition, with the right side being your cruise and gear limit. Now for the odometer, you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, as well as your trailer tow. Keep moving on. You got your audio, screen setup, as well as your speedometer, You're gonna have your vehicle gauges there, fuel economy, it goes right back. So it's gonna be push to start with the dial shifter here, and onto the infotainment. So you're gonna have this large center touchscreen. Here on apps and controls, you can access everything from your heated ventilated seats, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, mirror dimmer, app manager, as well as you can access your backup camera, navigation through here, and all the controls on the bottom. As well as you're going to have the integrated brake controller with your park assist and rear park assist, with 4 USB ports, lots of extra storage. Slides back for more storage with an AC wall port down there. And here in the center console, lift it up, you got the double. And you got all your measurements here, from your trigonometry to Pythagorean theorem, as well as you're going to have extra storage down below there. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated and ventilated. You're going to have your sport badging across there, speakers up top with the Alpine badging. And then here you can access your reading lamps, SOS, power rear sliding window, and your panoramic sunroof. So you get these 20-inch Moto metal wheels on Venom Power Terra Hunter XT tires. You're going to have that 1500 badging with the hood scoop, paint match mirror caps with the LED turn signal, keyless entry door handles. Coming to the back, you're going to have the black paint match bumpers with the dual exhaust, trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under, that true export truck hero tonneau cover. And in the back here, you got your spray-on bed liner with your bed tie-downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior, again, more paneling storage next to speakers, power window with chrome accent there. Up at the back, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, with 4 USB ports and an AC wall port. You're gonna have the cup holder and armrest up top, storage under the seats, Alpine speakers right behind you, lamps up top, handles on the side, and above you again, panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2020 Ram 1500 Sport, equipped with the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine, as well as heated and ventilated seats, panoramic sunroof, Venom Power Terra Hunter tires, spray-on bed liner, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see Chevy Farm very soon.